Hey guys! I'm out of my normal filming setup and here near my dining room window where I have so much light. I don't really like to film in my filming room if I'm being 100% honest because it is so dark in there. It is the darkest room in my house and when I have all my lights going on it just hurts my eyes so bad. And I just wanted to sit out here. It's a beautiful day outside. I'm sitting here next to my little collection of plants here in my window which are all exceedingly very happy as well. Actually, if you guys want to see a plant collection video, which I have done, it is a long one, I'm gonna leave it linked up here and in the description box down below if you guys wanted to see that. But for now, for today's video, it is another BoxyCharm unboxing. I'm really excited to be sharing this box with you guys. Now, before you come for me, I know it's a July box. My August one and hopefully my September one is on its way to me. Shipping just takes such a long time. This didn't just come to me, my July one. I think I got it like a month ago and I've just been really slack in filming. Really super slack in filming. I've had, let me tell you what, if there was a year that sucked so bad, it's this year. Anything you could imagine that life could throw at me, it came. So I'm not gonna apologize for being late filming my unboxing video, but I am also gonna low-key apologize. It is what it is. Slow shipping of makeup, first world problems. Either way, the products that I got in my July premium box are things that I actually really super like. I love this box. Everything that I got in it was amazing and I just wanted to share it with you guys, regardless of the fact that it is several months late. When I get my August and September box, that'll probably be coming up in January. Who even knows? But as it stands, I am here in Australia, and if you're wondering how do I get BoxyCharm in Australia, there is a shipping service called Storks which I have used. Now, the shipping from them can be quite slow. I don't know if it's just because of the global pandemic and shipping centers have been slowed down or shut down or something's down, so is my shipping. So I don't know if it's slow because of that or if it's just slow because it is slow, but I am actually looking into other different shipping services. I am looking into that and I will create a video on that with the information to give you guys when I have it all together. But that was the longest intro ever. Let's just get straight into the products in this, not this month's, but July's premium box. Okay, I have the card here. As you guys know the drill, I'm going to be showing you guys the product. I'm going to be telling you the overall value of the products when I get to the end of the video. And then I'm going to show you guys if it was worth it or not. It generally is. I generally absolutely get my money's worth. Now, I know being in Australia, I pay a lot more money for my products than anyone in America would, but it's just the way it is. Conversion rates are just like, it is what it is. So I'm going to dig straight into the box. The first thing that I'm picking out is this Glam Palette that Morphe created in collaboration with Manny MUA. I was actually really happy and excited to get this palette. Getting it in the box, I've paid a lot less for it than I would have paid getting all of these things together individually from the various companies. That's what I really love about BoxyCharm, is that I get a chance to try so many products that I wouldn't normally go out and buy on my own. So this is the first product. This one I'm really super excited to try out. It's got highlights, it's not a neutral palette, but it's got all the shades in it that I kind of really enjoy using. I haven't been using a lot of makeup recently. I haven't been wearing a lot of makeup recently. As you can tell, I've got extremely natural makeup on today. Very super simple, easy, natural, not even a full face of makeup on right now, and I like it. That's how I like my makeup at the moment, unless I'm going out for dinner, of course, which isn't very often, but it's just literally foundation, blush, eyeshadow, and a bit of lipstick, and it's not even proper lipstick, it's just gloss. So my point of that is, I don't know when I'm gonna dig into this palette, but it is very, very pretty. I like having it in my collection. Hopefully when everything opens up again, I'll have more of a chance to wear more makeup out than just at home. All right, the next product I'm picking out is this Byro Bitter Green Essence Toner. It's quite thick. Most toners that I see are quite liquidy, if that makes sense, like almost like water consistency, but this looks almost like a very watery serum. It's a very pretty color, and let's see what, I keep dropping everything. It's because I'm not in my normal habitat, guys. Okay, so this Essence Toner retails for $95 US. Whoa, that's expensive. So this Bitter Green Essence Toner is packed with 33 different green vegetable extracts, including artichoke, broccoli, and basil that will hydrate and purify your skin, helping to smooth unwanted texture. This mega dose of antioxidants will nourish the skin while protecting it from premature aging. Wow. I must say, if I did have to collect all those green vegetables myself and extract them into a toner, I would be charging a whole lot more than $95 to be honest. But actually, I'm excited to try that out. The packaging is really super sleek and really super pretty. It comes in a box like this. I feel like this is a really bougie, luxury, up there type of toner. So really excited to try that actually. Now, I know I got all these products a month or so ago, and I haven't tried any of them out because literally, honest truth, I haven't been wearing any makeup at all. Now this one is a Line and Define Dual Dimension Eyeliner. This is from the brand Laura Geller. This one retails for $24. This one says you can create a killer eye look that stuns with intense bold lines and graphic cream kohl effects. A sleek, sexy, smoky eye look is only strokes away. Goodness me, they're getting raunchy with their descriptions. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, it's a felt-tipped eyeliner, which I actually enjoy using felt-tipped eyeliners. And the other side is like a kohl eyeliner, and it's a very nice brown eyeliner. So it's brown on this side and brown on the other side. So it's just the one shade. And yeah, I'm actually looking forward to trying this one. This one says it's paraben-free, mineral oil-free, and gluten-free. Not that I think celiacs will be licking the tip of this. Would not recommend, but gluten-free, good to know. I suppose if people get reactions through their skin to gluten, I suppose that's a thing now these days, isn't it? So really nice to get that. $24. That's actually quite expensive for a eyeliner. I suppose it is jewel. If you're thinking $12 each for an eyeliner and kohl eyeliner, yeah, not too bad. Looking forward to trying that one. It's a nice brown one. I don't have many brown eyeliners, so that's pretty good. The next thing is this is kind of cheesy. It says a BoxyCharm neon jelly pouch with pom-poms. This retails for $20. $20. I wouldn't pay $5 for that, to be honest. I would prefer makeup and skincare over that, to be honest. But anyway, the next thing is this Folly Fire. That's why I couldn't find it on Instagram. I was spelling it as Fully Fire. It's Folly Fire. Matte Manipulation Trio. They're getting raunchy with these products. I tell you what, manipulation. You know what you want, and they're not cheap. No, this retails for $40. Everything has its price, but gorgeous lips are priceless. Clearly not. It's $40. Grab our reds ranging from deep burgundy to pink nude to cover all aspects of your daily conquest. Wow, this box is raunchy this month. They're going out and conquering the whatever there is to conquer right now. Who would have thought? Makeup can make you feel like you can do anything. It's true though, it's true. Anyway, so this retails for 40 US doll hairs. This is the lipstick trio here. So we have a deep burgundy red, a bright fiery red, as well as a more mauvey, pinky pink. So that's actually a really pretty trio. I love these colors. I'm not gonna swatch them or wear them for you guys because chances are I'm probably gonna end up reselling these or giving them away in a giveaway. Giving them away in a giveaway. And I don't want to give away used or swatched makeup. So I just really enjoy getting a lot of these products. But if I feel like I'm really not gonna use them, then chances are I'll just put it in a giveaway. That's a really cool set. It's $40, so I mean it's not cheap. The packaging is plastic. It's packaged really nicely. It comes in this little trio box right here. The compacts themselves are plastic, like little black matte plastic. What's the word? It's not compound. Compact? Compound? What word is it I'm looking for? I don't remember what word it is I'm looking for. But packaging. It's not the word packaging. It's another word for packaging. Anyway, it's lost me. It's gone. Anyway, so that's that. And the last product is this Brow Bar palette by Rima. Now this one is a Hollywood Icon face kit. I saw many MUA doing a bit of use on this palette. It's really super pretty. It's got a nice highlight shade there, a nice blush shade there. There's a pop of color there in the green that you can use for the eyes. This would make for a really super pretty natural eye look, but I'm not gonna dip into it again because I probably won't end up using this. I do want to give this away, but but it is really stunning, really pretty, really super gorgeous. This palette retails for $45 US, so it's not cheap for a little palette like this. It's a very pretty compact, like it is plastic packaging, but it's very super pretty. Just be aware that, you know, fingerprints, it can get dirty very super easily. It comes in a box that looks exactly like the compact itself, but that's really super pretty. I actually kind of like that. I don't know, I kind of want to use it and it'd be so good for traveling, but it comes to a point where I have so many eyeshadow palettes that I just feel so overwhelmed. I don't even know what to do with all of them anymore, and at some point it becomes more of a collection thing rather than I need this in my life to use. If you guys want to see my eyeshadow palette collection, actually I have a video of it. I'm gonna leave it linked up here and in the description box down below if you guys want to check that out. But it is a wanton amount of makeup, I'm not going to deny that, but the thing is, like, I like receiving this makeup and I really enjoy receiving BoxyCharm, even though 80% of the time I don't really end up using all these products. Chances are I will be putting them in a giveaway or giveaway to my family or my friends, or use them as Christmas presents. So that's why I like to leave them untouched and unused. So that's all of the products in this month's BoxyCharm. Well, not this month, in July's premium BoxyCharm. So I'm gonna let you guys know how much everything was worth, its value of the box altogether. Keeping in mind I spent 120 Australian dollars to get this box bought and shipped to me through the shipping service called Storks. And then when I have all the information from the other shipping service through Australia Post, I'm gonna put all that information together in another video for you guys, so stay tuned for that one. So right now, let's do the math. Okay, you guys, so I've done the math for all of these products. It comes to $240 US, which with the current conversion rate is 340 Australian dollars, and I paid 120 Australian dollars to get this box to me. In my opinion, that's a really good value on the box. It is generally the case with all the BoxyCharms that I get. I know $120 is still a lot to spend every month on makeup here in Australia if you do want to get the premium box. So it is just, you know, weighing up your pros and cons and weighing up what it means to you to get a box like this once a month as part of a subscription service. As far as this box goes, probably the only thing that I was a bit about, like $20 for this, $20 US for this. I'm really not gonna use this. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, honestly. It's just another thing in my house. I might use it as a bag to put giveaway items in and like ship them in this. So who knows, I might run a little giveaway on my Instagram, put some skincare, a few little bits and pieces of makeup in here, and run a little giveaway on my Instagram. Who knows? Stay tuned for that. Maybe I will soon, maybe I won't. I just need to get myself organized. Honestly, it's just a matter of getting myself organized. That's the thing. Anyway, oh, speaking of giveaways, guys, I am running a giveaway here on my YouTube channel. It's currently still open. I'm giving away 2 Juvia's Place Wahala eyeshadow palettes, which are limited edition and currently sold out, never to be restocked as far as I am aware. So if you want to enter that giveaway, I'm going to leave the video linked up here and in the description box down below for you guys to check out if you have not yet already. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! This Glam Palette that Morphe created in collaboration. And then in description.